told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
Hello, everyone. Dayana Vargas is a well-known Colombian-American curvy model, digital creator, and social media personality celebrated for her bold confidence and uplifting message. Based in the United States, she has crafted a strong digital presence focused on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, self-love, and body positivity, encouraging millions around the world to embrace authenticity and feel confident in their own bodies. Dayana began her social media journey early, joining Instagram in December 2012. What started as a passion gradually evolved into a full-time digital career. Her main Instagram account, Dayanazu, has grown to more than 1.3 million followers and received official verification in November 2023, reflecting her credibility and influence in the online space. She is widely recognized for her stylish fashion sense, glamorous beauty looks, and relatable lifestyle content, effortlessly blending high-fashion aesthetics with real-life confidence. In addition to her primary account, Dayana runs a second verified Instagram profile, Dayana Akaralin, launched in June 2022, which has attracted over 237,000 followers. Across both platforms, she shares curated photo shoots, outfit inspiration, behind-the-scenes moments, and empowering messages that celebrate curves, individuality, and self-acceptance. Beyond Instagram, Dayana has established a strong presence across multiple platforms. On TikTok, she has amassed more than 560,000 followers through engaging short-form videos featuring fashion trends, beauty routines, and lifestyle highlights. She is also active on Twitter, where she has gained over 89,000 followers since joining in September 2023, using the platform to share thoughts, updates, and personal reflections. Her reach extends further to Facebook, with a community of more than 500,000 followers, and to Snapchat, where she has over 97,000 subscribers who enjoy more personal, day-to-day content. As an advocate for body positivity and self-love, Dayana Vargas uses her platform to challenge traditional beauty standards and promote confidence, especially for curvy women. Her journey is defined by consistency, authenticity, and empowerment, earning her respect within the fashion and digital creator industry. With a rapidly expanding global audience, she continues to inspire and redefine modern beauty through her voice, vision, and influence. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.